Atlassian Compass is part of Atlassian's developer experience platform. So a broader solution that is designed to help developers in their daily workflows be more efficient and essentially help companies ship quality software faster. Compass acts as an internal developer platform, which aggregates all this information about software development, software components that they own, about the key piece of information that they require in their daily workflows, and essentially eliminates the need to search things around and reduces their cognitive load overall. The other part of it is that it helps them to define and follow and generally roll out engineering standards on a very large scale with something we call scorecards. And we also try to help them with their getting their products into the production faster with the concept of templates. So you can think about it that developers spend a lot of their time not coding. They spend a lot of time searching. They are tripped by various inefficiencies in the way how the software development works. So on one side, Compass brings the key information about the software that they need to build, operate, and maintain in one single spot, so that the need to search for things before actually getting to the coding part is in a way removed or at least minimized. So that's like the very first thing. With the ability to bring in the metrics, bring in these key indicators about the software health, the developers can understand how is their software actually doing, how healthy it is, how is the quality levels, and then they can, from that point, drive action and basically implement improvements. And with the help of scorecards, we are helping them to roll that out across their software so they can view across their entire software code base and software landscape. How are these components doing? What areas require improvement? What areas require attention? And that they can do without any manual work and any overhead. We want to bring enjoyment back into the everyday life of the developers. We understand that with the explosion of technologies, with the explosion of microservices, libraries, simply the toil on developers has become quite high. The activities they need to do stretch far beyond coding. It comes down to security, compliance, quality, auditing, a lot of manual work, a lot of overhead that comes there in order to ensure that the software they're building is on the right level of quality. So what Compass can bring to the engineering teams is a way how they can do this at a very large scale with the minimum overhead, and the fact that it is part of a broader Atlassian platform actually helps them to also build healthy engineering practices around it. So what happens if my component is failing a specific engineering standard that is represented to the scorecard? Have the platform eliminate the manual work, have the automation come in, create a ticket, inform the team, so they don't have to worry about constantly being on call, etc. So we want to also shift left in that sense, improve their day-to-day activities, and ultimately help them build healthier software and get them out to production much faster.